Hi Classy fam! So today I'm showing you how to make a DIY jewelry holder on Reddit. So what you'll need is 2 to 1 pieces of wood from old furniture or you cut your own pieces. I am using some from old furniture, and then you'll need wooden dowels, scissors, or a pocket knife, your choice. And paint of your choice, I am doing gold paint. I'm doing golden paint and hot glue. And hot glue. And paintbrushes. And a piece cut up the size you want. You want to make a T. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab your hot glue and just put a little dot where you want your next hole be, and then you just carefully hold it in. You can make a method in them like rubber band or hairband to hold it in place. So once you have both sides of the C, as you can see, just stand up like this and hang your jewelry. So, and now take out the same length. I'm going to trim this and then put this on the other side. So you do this to make a C like this to hold the jewelry. See, like that when we start painting. Or, yeah, see like that. So once you make this piece, and then you set it aside, and I'm going to show you how to make the collar version of this, and then we are going to paint it. If you have like silver necklaces, this would be great for it too, but I'm just going to do bracelet on this one. And might make my piece here, my board here, then my whole one right next to the lunar textually. So now it's time to paint everything the color of your choice. I am doing this gold color to make it look like I bought it, but I really made it, wink wink. So I have my paint palette here, and to put the gold on. Like so, and now I'll be like that. So now you have whatever paint you choose. I'm doing gold, and you also need a paintbrush, a tin of water, and now you lay out everything you want. I'm making it all one color to make it look very nice, but you do Now I'm gonna let this one coat dry, and then now I am gonna paint the scene. Now move that forward. And what you do is give it the awesome handle, just hold it and paint it like so. Anyway, that was the finished pieces. So now once your thing's dry, I am gonna take the longer one once all your thing's dry, take the long one and try and make it as center as you possibly can. Let me back the side up a bit. Well, let me move the camera so you can see. So now you take your right side where you want your thing. And I want it right here. And you quickly just place it on. And just hold it there. If you need to, you can build the front. If you need, grab an extra glue. Yeah. And just hold it in place. And now let me put this extra stick in. Another option, if you're allowed, you can drill holes and place it in there for more sturdiness. So I am building up a wall. So now I have to hold it in place until it dries. And what you can do if you want, you can place little side pieces to and now just move it on, that's it. And I'll show you the product in a sec. So while you're gluing them or blowing a hole in, it's just gluing them in place, have two sticks, as you can see here, to hold it in place until it dries, and then it's like not movable at all. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me making and look how it looks like in the front. Ta-da! Yay! And thank you for me. And please give it a big thumbs up. It really helped me know what videos you guys like. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. And if you made something like this, please go to my discussion tab and show how yours turned out. And we can have a nice conversation. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing really helps too. Let YouTube know that you like my videos and they can recommend it to you. And bye, Classy fam!